Sour. Lemons have a sour taste. Lemons are very sour in taste. Bitter. Black coffee without sugar is often bitter, and bitter gourd is also very bitter in taste. We cannot eat easily bitter. Ripe. Bananas are ripe, so we can eat them. If something is ripe, we can eat them. They are ready to eat. Unripe. Unripe. The bananas are unripe. You must not eat it because they are not ready to eat. They are unripe. You should wait. These are unripe. Rotten. Rotten. These bananas are rotten. We can say that something that is finished, something is expired, or something is overcooked, or something is overripe. We can say rotten. Rotten is overcooked or too much cooked. We can say that it's too much cooked. Bitter. Black coffee without sugar is often bitter. It means not good in taste. When we will not put sugar in coffee, it will not good in taste. It will bitter. Bitter gourd is always bitter in taste. Chew. Bubble gum is chew. We can say when we will put bubble in our mouth, we will chew it. Or something we are continuously putting in mouth and moving our mouth and we are chewing it. Eggs. First one is fried egg. When we will cook it in oil, it will become fried egg. Or when we will put eggs in water and we will boil them in hot water, then these will call boiled egg. In oil they are fried egg and in water they are boiled egg. Fresh and stale. Fresh. These breads are fresh. When bread is not fresh, we will call them stale. Stale. The bread had gone stale, which means the bread is expired. The bread is not for eating because it's stale. Salty. I added too much salt to the soup and now it's too salty. When we are putting too much salt taste in something, it's become salty because we are putting some flavor. If we will put too much sugar, it will become sugary. And when we are putting salt, it will become salty. Now we are putting salt, it's mean it's become salty. Salty in taste. Greasy, oily, oily. These French fries are very greasy. It means they are very oily because they are cooked in oil. That's why they are greasy. We can say they are oily. When we are cooking something in oil and we are taking them out, they are greasy, they are oily. Sweet, sweet. This candy is too sweet. This is sugar and it's too much sweet in taste. When something is sweet, spicy, spicy. Try not to eat too much spicy. When we will eat chilies, they are too much spicy and we will burn. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.